Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and target device. First, make sure your S23 Ultra has enough charge, ideally above 20%, and disable battery saver so power share can run at full speed. Once done, open Settings, go to Battery and Device Care, tap Battery, then enable Wireless Power Share. You should also remove any thick case and position the target device central to the camera module to align charging coils, because misalignment reduces transfer efficiency and slows charging. Now you perform the actual charge transfer. Place the target device face down on your S23 Ultra, centered over the rear cameras where the coil is located. A slight offset can stop charging. Once positioned, watch for the charging animation on both devices or the LED indicator on the accessory. If charging doesn't start, lift and recenter the device, then try slight angle changes. Make sure NFC or wireless accessories aren't between devices, because even thin metal can interrupt charging and reduce speed. Finish by monitoring charge and conserving your battery. Keep an eye on both devices' battery percentages and surface temperature. If they get hot, stop charging and let them cool, because excessive heat throttles charging speed. Once the target device reaches a useful level, turn off wireless power share to save your S23 Ultra battery. If charging fails, check for a thin case, realign the coil area, ensure your phone has at least 20% battery, or reboot both devices to clear temporary wireless stacks. These fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.